Okay, student, we would like to introduce you about our academy, about our ACCA Digital Academy. We are offering teaching services for the four papers like financial reporting, strategic business leader, strategic business reporting, and F6 for the UK taxation. So, students, whatever subjects you require from these four, you are welcome to join for revision classes. We will be, it will continue till your exam day. So, we will support through WhatsApp. And about the ACC Digital Academy, so we have qualified teacher from ACCA. They have a membership with the CPA as well as CMA, and they have education and training experience from Phoenix, Dubai. So about myself, I am Farooq Ahmad, and I am qualified ACCA, and I have a membership with the ACCA, CMA, and CPA Pakistan, as well as I have a 20-year teaching experience and industry experience as well in Dubai, Muscat, or Saudi, and Pakistan. It will be whatever strategic things we will discuss, we will have a practical experience and we share with you, which will helpful for you to understand the scenario, understand the problem, and make a solution effectively, and gain your good marks. Practice for 30 hours in through Zoom classes or Meet or WhatsApp support is available. We provide study text as well, and which will helpful for students to successful in the exam. This is a nominal fee of 25 USD for the international and local student. Will pay, they can pay equivalent to their currency, and it will include uh, free video lectures which are available in our this link. You can find a playlist and your specific learnings, and the paper is available there. Plus the 30 hours live revision kit practice you will get through me, and study textbook, study kit also, pass card, and WhatsApp support. And if any student who need some support or help to avail all these facilities, we can discuss in person, and we give a special scholarship or special favor to needy students. So these Kaplan study book we will provide. PDF books will be there, or soft books, whatever form for relating to 2025 and 26 versions available. Will whatever student enrollment date, so whatever material available, we will provide. Thank you for my introduction.